The keyword research process is absolutely crucial to your success with niche sites. It is all about selecting the right keywords to rank for, because if you can easily get your keywords to rank, you have your site ranked highly, you're going to automatically start getting those commissions. So long, of course, as your site is of high quality. Now, the first part of the process when you get to keyword research is to brainstorm a list of potential keywords that you will be able to use. So the more keyword ideas that you can come up with to get yourself started, the better. And then you'll be able to move on and do a little bit of research to determine if these keywords are worth ranking for. So we'll get to that next. So how do you start the brainstorming process? Now, there's a couple of different types of keywords you can look at. The first is informational shopping-based keywords. And what these are, this is when someone is searching for information on a product because they're ready to buy. So this is when you typically would see a brand name or a product name plus the model number or something very specific about the product. This means they're likely looking to buy, but they just need a little bit more information. Maybe they're looking for a review and they want to see what comes up. If they've included the word review in the keyword, that definitely means they're ready to buy, but they're looking for a little bit more information. This is where your review articles are going to come into play, your comparison articles, and general information about products. Now, some keywords can be informational, but they're not necessarily shopping-based informational keywords. So the person isn't quite ready to buy. They're just looking for information in general on the type of products. Now, you can still create content around this, and you can use this to convert visitors into email signups. You can sell informational products such as ebooks, for example, on the information that they're requesting. So there's different ways that you can use those informational keywords as well. So you really want to start looking for keyword variations around this specific product. So again, using the product name, the product model, and you can look for review variations, comparison variations, let's say best top rice cookers, for example, or top rated rice cookers, and different keywords around that. Now you can also look for the specific model numbers, because oftentimes when people are really specific, they're right there ready to buy, but they're just comparing two different brands or two different models. That's where your content can really help them, and it can push them over the edge and help them make that decision, and there will be your affiliate link. So what you want to do is you want to search to see if people are actually searching for the product name, searching for the model number. And one thing that I like to do is to turn to Google and use their auto suggestions. So if you start typing in a keyword, let's say we type in dog crate, and then you can look and see what comes up. So here we have dog crate sizes, covers, furniture. So this is the type of information that people are looking for. This is information you can start writing about. So these are good keywords to add to your list. So if you want more of those suggestions, you can go ahead and hit enter. You can scroll down to the bottom of your site and you're going to see even more related keywords for you to consider. You can grab the ones that you think will pertain to your niche, add them to your list, and then let's say we can click through. This one looks like a possibility. And again, scroll down to the bottom of Google and look again at what related terms come up. So you can do this for all different types of keywords on your list that really will help you expand your list. Now you can also go to Uber Suggest and again put in your keyword here and you can see what comes up. Now Uber Suggest is going to pull a long list of keywords, and you'll be able to go through, see which ones you like, and even download them so you can pull them into the spreadsheet or the list that you've been working on as well. Now you can also go into SEMrush, and they have a free version that you can use. You can type in your keyword idea here, and then you can scroll down and you can take a look at the phrase match keywords as well as the related keywords, and you'll not only be able to see some of the search volume here, the cost per click, we're going to get into that in a few minutes, but you're going to be able to get some keyword ideas. So you can click on view full report and you'll be able to see more ideas as well. One other thing I like to use SEMrush for is if you pull down, you're going to be able to see some of the paid advertising. So you'll be able to get some more ideas on how to phrase your titles or specific products that may be interesting, because if people are paying for advertising a specific product, they're likely making money from that. So that's a good reason to look at the product ad copies here as well. So once you have pulled together a long list of possible keywords, it's time to get into the research process to see which of these keywords are going to be best to target and to go after.